Hi, this is Karen with WTI. Working from home with this KDD tablet pillow holder has become so much easier. It doesn't matter if I have to be sitting down to do my work or if I have to be in my bed, if I have to be moving around, the pillow would just not move. I really love the fact that it's really well made. It's soft, but at the same time it's stable. So that makes me feel like it doesn't matter what position I put my tablet on, it's gonna stay. To me, it was really important to have a pillow for my iPad where I can have it on a drawing position on my lap and make me feel like it was not going to move. And to me, this was it. It has three different positions that I can put my tablet on. I feel comfortable working with this pillow. I feel that I can put all the pressure from my hand into the tablet and it won't move. I love the fact that it has pockets for my phone, an extra battery pack, or my pencil. And that's my point of view.